Now let's talk about Lambda functions. A Lambda function is small anonymous function. It can take n numbers of arguments, but can only have one expression. Okay, let's see an example. In our Python project, I will create a new Python file. I will name it Lambda function. Okay, I will create this Lambda function in the first line. Double equals Lambda x and 2. Okay, let's invoke our Lambda function. Print double 5. Okay, I will execute the code, and we can see in output 10. In above program, lambda x times 2 is the lambda function. Here x is argument and x times 2 is the expression that gets evaluated and returned. And yes, this is the end of our overview of Python functions. Remember, functions are a way of creating reusable blocks of code that can make your programs more efficient and easier to understand.